Hey guys, as I said in my previous video, we do have a lot coming in store. As you can see, here goes the wood blocks that we talked about. All 4 of them are done now. For the sake of the video, we only showed you one, but we got a lot in store. All right, so to give you guys an idea what's going down with this build, here goes the parts of goodies, as you guys can see. As we have, here goes the IRS brace. We got 355 steel housing rear diff. This diff is fully built. We got a Steeda K-brace right there. We got the Mishimoto upgraded aluminum radiator. This radiator does flow a lot better than the Performance Pack. The Performance Pack radiator flows better than the stock radiator, and then the Mishimoto flows better than the Performance. So this is a huge upgrade. We got a 170-degree thermostat right here. We got a Circle D torque converter right here. This is a 3500 3C pump, and right above it we got a drive shaft shop, carbon fiber, one-piece drive shaft, as you can see.
And then you can put that one's been modified to fit automatic to manual, because that's a manual flange. Our automatic flanges are different.
What's up?
Alright, so like I have an automatic here, and I'm upgrading the steel housing to a steel housing in the rear. So automatic 17 down didn't come with iron housing, so I ended up upgrading. But in order to do that, you need to modify your drive shaft. So the drive shaft shop modified my the end of it to fit my iron housing now. So now I'm going from automatic here to basically a manual flange. That way I avoided changing this whole flange here and having to change any type of pinion crush or whatever. So it's ready to go, you know, if you want to avoid that route.
And as you can see, we do have all the extra oils. We have everything that we're going to be changing. We got whole differential bushings, subframe bushings. We got the vertical links. We got the sway bar mounts. And then we got the camera arms right here. And then as you can see, things are going down. And we got many parts still on store. You just got to stay tuned. So as you guys see, the many parts that we do got, the first thing we're gonna have to do is what we're planning on doing is removing the rear shock. As you can already see, this car is on bags. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the Corsa Extreme cat bag and removing the drive shaft. And right now we're still debating if we're gonna loosen up IRS subframe bolts to drop the entire subframe to make it easier when it comes to putting the bushings, or we're just gonna do everything how it sits. Alright, so first step, we're gonna take out this exhaust, and there's a lot of videos on how to remove a catback system or just the Mustang exhaust. So we're just gonna loosen up these ones. Once we loosen up that, the axle back would technically come out, and then now we're gonna go for the X pipe, and then from there we're gonna have a lot of access to everything else. Alright guys, so Corsa Extreme is out right there. We are taking a quick water break. If you're from California, you understand how hot it's been recently. So we're gonna get back at it. Exhaust is out. I've already done this side right here, and we're gonna keep moving forward. As of right now, we got the shock bolts loosened up. We got the brake caliper out. We got the traction control sensor back here. That connects into the inner hub inside here. That was an 8mm, I want to say. We got the rest of the caliper loosened up right here. The sway bar is loosened up on the lower link. The other side,
Just got it.
Eric just got it right now. He was doing the, oh, there he goes, he's loosening it. We got that done. We got the we got the IRS brace out, and then from there we're gonna hit the 4 bolts connecting the subframe, and then we're gonna go to the drive shaft and drop everything and just get everything out.
You need to.
Sweet. Quick update: it is a size 10. Yeah. Now what we're gonna have to do is put it in neutral to be able to rotate the drive shaft.
Okay.
to allow us to get every socket instead of having to deal with like getting up here.
Yeah. You know, I couldn't even.
I have a buffalo arm after this.
I'm gonna start with these back here too.
Yeah. No, those are like size 12. I want to say.
Okay, let me just get another ratchet.
Would you want to switch? 'Cause I know you like this one.
Oh, no, go ahead.
I don't get why Ford even did, you know?
I don't know why they would do that.
Because technically, like, if you think about like cost-wise, it'd be more expensive. Cause you're,
because you're adding
there's
joints.
more metal,
Yeah,
more
I wonder why the
pieces.
fuck they would do that. It's crazy, man. So I'm seeing that the cats are right there.
Yeah.
To cut those shit, no? Oh, can we stick something to it?
I'm saying we go right next to the cat and we cut, and then we
And
can
then
hollow
hollow.
it out.
And then weld it back.
Re-weld it all back together.
It's gonna be a substitute for shorty header. I know, but fuck it. I'm not planning on using the Mustang like that no more. It's straight gonna have 2 seats, a cage, and let's fucking go fuck shit up.
5 of the bolts are loosened up right now, and what we're doing is Eric's gonna be putting it in neutral to allow us to turn the drive shaft over to let us get these bolts. Yeah, and never mind. Put it back in a drive.
Put it back in the drive?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you gotta put it where you want it and stop it, huh?
Yeah, it's not allowing me to rotate. Oh,
It's
yeah.
kinda skinny though, but.
Mm-hmm.
Oh shit! There we go.
Oh.
That was easy.
The reason why he's airing out is because when we get ready to drop, we're on the verge of getting ready to drop the whole subframe, and we don't want to risk, as you can see right here, we don't want to risk tugging on this and causing damage to it. So what we're gonna do is air it out, and then he's just gonna disconnect it, and then just make things a lot easier just to drop it. Two jacks
And a piece of wood.
and a piece of wood. Dropped it. There we go.
No, nothing ripped, nothing broke. We didn't cut nothing off. We good.
One thing we forgot about.
I get that.
Where is it? Right here. A breather that hooked up somewhere around right here.
Yeah.
We forgot to disconnect that, and it was kind of tugging. It took us some time to figure it out, but we got it done. And yeah. All right, guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. We kind of got our hands dirty right here, getting everything ready so all that can get put into place and stuff. The next video we're gonna be putting in the bushings and probably bushings.
For sure, remove the diff.
Yeah, we're gonna be removing the diff, putting in the built one. Just follow along. You're gonna start seeing things getting put in really quick. Peace.
Both.